That ain't good. Look, they're all going over there. See them? Look at that one. It's coming straight down.
It's picking back up now.
Look at that one off the side. See it? That, look at it, all of it, Brent. Look, look, look. That's a tornado. It's, look, over here. Look at all that shit. You don't see that? All that whole cloud. Look.
Easter egg.
I've never seen clouds go up like that before.
See that over there?
Freaky. See? Look at the clouds, dumb. What's that?
See how those motherfuckers doing that?
Mm-hmm. See how they're going up with, like...
They look like smoke.
Yes. Look.
See that right there?
Mm-hmm.
See that right there? You see it? That's the tornado.
It is. That is a tornado.
Tornado right there.
Holy crap.
That's a tornado.
That's a tornado. That's a tornado. That's a tornado right there.
Oh, that black one?
Yes.
No, it's all heading that way.
It's all going that way, but that's a tornado.
Yes, go. I remember you. You.
You sure it's going that way?
Yeah.
Is that going towards Steph and Cindy?
It looks like it's passing. We're going back to Bella's.
You guys been out here the whole time?
Yeah.
I've been underneath the stairs. I
Yeah.
guess
Well, look, there's a tornado right there.
I'm a Kansan. What can I say?
Look, you see it?
Oh my gosh. In this cloud.
You see it? How it's going down? That's a
They said
tornado.
that- That's one that was probably off the 287.
Maybe. There was one on Bonds Ranch, yeah.
Of course, my husband's calling me and saying, "You're okay, you're okay." I'm like, "No, it's quiet, it's quiet." Because everything I always remember in Kansas is when it's quiet, that's not good.
It's not good. Hey, you can come.
Good shit
You can
there.
come hang out with us.
Well, we have, we're
Yeah,
just
we
under
might
the
need to hang out with
stairs.
you.
Yes, I was going to say, anytime. That is very fine. If
That
we
is
just go
built.
under the
It's still
stairs.
building. Like, look at it. It's all like forming.
This is creepy.
That's
And then, of
actually
course,
getting closer, I
We've
think.
got
It is. The wind's coming back.
The wind's coming back
family in
this way.
Oklahoma and Kansas, and my dad was in the basement the other day, and then my niece, and she said, You're taping. I won't.
No, it's okay. I don't care.
She goes, I'm so bad my dad. Because she doesn't live with my son. So bad. She's 16. She goes, and he wouldn't let me go. And it was right there. He's